today, guys, I decided that I'm gonna make some seafood bread. So here my so I have my seasoned mixture here, guys. This is a combination of all-purpose, black pepper, onion sauce, garlic sauce, Creole sauce, seafood Creole sauce, and pretty much a teaspoon each. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose. All the other ingredients are like 1 teaspoon each. So that's my seasoning, guys. I also have my potato here, my garlic, my thyme, my scotch bonnet, my green onion, otherwise called escallion. As you can see over there, my corn is over there. My shrimp is here, heads on. I have a few clams already removed from the shell. Not a lot, just like 6 clams. And here we go, guys. I have my snow crab. So here we go. Some fresh thyme. Throw that in. I have some green onion here. I'm just going to wring it up still. I'm going to drop it in my pot. I also have some garlic, like 8 cloves of garlic. So I also have 8 cloves of garlic here, guys. I'm just going to cut it in my pot. But I want to just season my water very well. So I'm going to allow that to, just do its thing. So I'm putting the Jamaican spin on it, guys. So I'm going to throw a few pimento seeds. There you go. I have the good old bay seasoning here. I'm going to put some in my water. And we're just going to mix this around to let everything come together, guys. So now I'm ready to put my corn in. So my corn is right here. Gonna just drop them in just like that. So I only have 3 potatoes, guys. I'm not making a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my potato in half like that. Cut it in quarter. So now I'm gonna add my crab legs to my pot. And we're gonna allow these to steam up. So this is a lot of crab legs. But we're gonna fit them in, guys, because crab is pretty much all about steaming. So there you go. So now I'm placing my lid and allow my crab to steam along with my potato. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the crabs to my container over here. This is just snow crab, guys. So this crab has steamed very well, and I'm gonna reintroduce it to my sauce a little later. So right now I'm just removing it from the pot so that I can get to my corn and my potato. So this is my potato, guys. As you can see, it's all done. So all my crab legs are out. And it's right here. Lay this aside while I focus on my corn and my potatoes. So this is the corn. My potato is there with the skin on. So right now I'm just removing the potato and the corn from the liquid. I'm not going to throw away this water, guys. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use some of it in my sauce. So this is a lot of flavor. So this has a lot of flavor. You know, remember we put the Old Bay seasoning, the thyme, the scallion and all that. So I will use some of that water in my sauce. So take a look, guys. Look at all this goodness. The corn, the potato and all that. So let's lay this aside for now. So in the same pot, I'm melting 2 sticks of butter. And it's all up to you guys. If you want to use some more butter, go ahead. So 2 sticks of butter is in my pot. So at this point, my seasoning mix is in, onion and my garlic. And this is frying up very nicely, smelling so good. Now, I'm going to introduce my shrimp. So I also, guys, have a few clams that I already took out the shell. Not a lot, it's just a few, like 6 clams. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it in my mix right here. So now it's time for my shrimp. So these are my shrimp, heads on, all prep, washed, deveined. You're just gonna go ahead and lay them in my butter, just like that. So I give that about like 5 minutes or so. You know, shrimp is not hard to cook. So this is like a pound of shrimps. So let's just turn them around so that they can soak up some of that butter. So now that my shrimp is in, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my crab. This is a lot of crab, guys. So now for my potato, I'm going to reintroduce my corn and my potato. some more green onion. This is a whole lot of crap. And like I said, guys, I'm going to use some of my liquid that I used to boil my corn and my potato. So here we go, guys. I'm adding a little there. So now I'm going to just shake it around to get all my ingredients to mingle and pick up some flavors. So what you want to do, just fold it and shake it around. So I'm going to give it a taste to see if I need some more salt. Season to your taste, guys. And this is quite okay. Does not need any salt. I'm tasting the Old Bay seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more Old Bay in it. So that you can get that nice flavor you're looking for from the Old Bay. So let's just shake this around. Because all that nice gravy gets down to the bottom. As you can see, guys, I'm just taking my juice from the bottom because this pot is a little narrow. So this is a nice juicy buttery gravy, and I'm just putting it all over my corn, my crab, as you can see, we are all done and ready to dig into this nice delicious seafood wrap. So isn't this looking so delicious, guys? Take a look. Gorgeous. Got that rich gravy. So guys, if you are new here, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And I see you in my next one, guys. So now we are getting ready to dig in and take a look at that rich, rich gravy.